we are seeing take the input from the user. How to take a input from. So in Java, to take a input from a user, we have three ways, that is command line argument, buffer reader class, and scanner class. So first, today we are going to see how this command line argument is used, or what is this command line argument. So basically, command line argument is used to provide the input to Java program through console. And when we run the program, we can pass arguments to it. We'll see how to pass the arguments. Go to the notepad. Now in the notepad, I am writing, suppose I want to take a user from input as, then I want to take the input as name of the user. So to how to take the input as name of the user, so write sim dot out dot println bracket, just write, plus args. We are seeing the command line argument. We are using this args. So this args stands for command line argument. Okay. So now this argument starting from zeroth position. So in the zeroth position, I want the name of the user. Okay. Suppose this is 0. This is the name of the user, and I want to print that. So now see what I have written is, first I have written hello, and then I am writing plus args 0. To save this file, go to command prompt, just compile this as java c hello1.java. Hello. So first you need import java.io.star. So this is the file which we need to import java.io.star. So if you are taking any input from a user, then you have to write import java.io.star as a header file. Then the next step is, I'm just printing hello, or you can print anything, or welcome. Okay. Now what you have to give is system.out.println I, that I'm writing n. This will give goes to the new line, or you want the space in between, then just give t. The t stands for tab. Okay. Save this file, and this args0 will take input from the user. So now see, just compile this code as java c hello1.java, then write java hello1 and give the name which you, I'm giving the name as kit. Okay, I'm giving the input as kitcoe. So when I click on enter, see, my output is welcome, hi kitcoe. So whatever you are going to put into the user input, that will print here. Okay, so this is with the help of command line argument, that is args0. So if we are using a command line argument, so here this it will be a args0. It is the zeroth location. Now suppose I want to print the another, I want to take the input from a user, that which is your branch. Okay, let's see, I want to ask the user which is your branch, or where are you. Okay, where are you from. So just type Same dot out println ask a question from. Okay, I'm asking a question. Where are you from? Then the user input I need to take again. So just write dot out dot println and write I am. Now, whatever the sentence which the user is going to write, that is the user input, right? So, outside the double quotes, you have to write plus args. Now, at the zeroth position, we have taken the first input. So, in this bracket, I will write 1 because it is my second input, user input. So, I am writing 1. Now, save this code. Go to the command prompt, compile this, compiling it, java c hello1.java, and I run this code as java hello1. By writing java hello1, at that itself you need to give a name, okay? kitcoek, java hello1, give the first input kitcoek, and similarly give the second input. So see, my output is now available to see this. My hi kitcoek, and I am from Kolhapur. See how I have written. While running the code, just write java hello1 kitcoek and Kolhapur. This is my first user input and this is my second user input. At a time you have to write the inputs, okay, and this will be the output of the code. So this is with the help of command line argument. I will show you the another one more example of this. Suppose take another new file, give a name as add.java. Add.java as my, just editing the old file. As my file name is add, so I need to give the class name also add. So I have given a class name as add. In that, I am taking two variables as int a, and now for example I am taking a variable int a and I want to take the value of that a from user. See, I have taken one int a, okay, int is my data type, a is the variable, and I want to take the value of a from the user. So if I want to take the value of a from the user, then just write args0 because this is the first value. Now similarly, I want to take the value of b also from user, so I'm writing args1. Okay, so two values I have taken from a user, and if I want to find the output of that value a and b, you can just write addition is equal to, into brackets write a plus b. Okay, now I will save this code, go to the command prompt, write java c add.java. I'm compiling the code, java c add.java. Yes, now just wait a minute. So this is the a and b values are integer values and I want a string. Okay, so this means this command line argument which we are taking, now see here, see, this is string args, right? This means these arguments are by default in the string format, right? These arguments which we are going to take from the user are by default in the string format. Now I am taking the numbers. So what I need to do? I need to convert string to the number. Now how to convert string to the number? We have a method called as integer.parseInt. Integer.parseInt, which will helps us to convert the string into number. So for int a is equal to, write that method, that is integer.parseInt. So how to write? See, integer.parseInt, I capital. Okay, integer dot parse int, and this should be into the brackets, right? Args 0. See what I am doing, this command line argument is by default, these arguments are in the form of string, but I am taking the numbers, so I need to convert string to numbers. So if I want to convert strings to number, then I need to write integer dot parse int, and in brackets I am writing args1. Okay, so with the help of this I can get the conversion from string to integer. So parseInt is a method of class integer which converts string to integer. I will save this file. I'm going to the command prompt. Let's compile this code again. And now there are no errors. So I will run this code as Java add. Now I'm giving the first number as 5 and the second number as 10. See how to run Java add is my class name and as well as my file name. So Java add, that is add, and giving the two user inputs, that is 5 and 10, and I'm clicking. So see the output, it is giving the output of addition. So it is giving welcome and addition is equal to 15. That is, it is adding these two numbers 10 plus 5. So this is the simple Java program by using command line argument. See, I will repeat this again. Command line argument here, this is the command line argument which is by default in the string format. So if I am taking the numbers from the user, I need to convert string to integer. So how to convert string to integer? I have a method integer.parseInt. Similarly, if you are using a floating point number value, then you should write float.parseInt. Okay. So this is the simple example to convert string to integer. If you are using string only, means if you are using the words, then there are no need to convert it. You can just write args0 and args1. Okay, so this is the simple program of taking an user input by using command line argument method. I hope you have understood this.